Today we're going to learn a new sound for the letter S. Sometimes when S comes after a vowel or at the end of a word, it can make the sound Z. Let's look at the letter S and practice saying the new sound. Z, Z. Next, we're going to read some words where S says the new sound Z. Let's read them together. Is, as, his, has, dogs, was. Let's read some sentences where S makes the Z sound. There is a ball. Where is his hat? She has a cat. We love dogs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep practicing.